Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Roblox Arsenal with my friend Kobasi. Say hi! Boy, my game's laggy. Alright, I'm gonna win this. Okay, he's not saying hi, but I don't care. Dude, how? Alright, my game's actually laggy, so I can't kill him. But I normally do beat him. Finally. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video and like and subscribe if you want more. Anyway, I am going hard mode on this guy. Phew. Whew. Whoo! Oh, he's there. He's there. Yes, my favorite gun, FMG9. Whew. He will not kill me when I have my most powerful gun, even though he has a more powerful gun. But I don't care. Yes. Oh no, the York. This is bad. But why is he walking straight to the wall? Done and done. Too easy, no offense. No offense. But he's a mobile player, so you know mobile players. Some are good, some are bad, and I'm training him. Oh God. Whew. I'm down a bit health, but doesn't stop me. Whew. Come on. He's good at dodging. Okay, he's going that way. Dude, this is going for a long time. I don't know how. Finally. Barrett, not bad, not bad. Not bad. Okay, he's gonna come out from there, that's right. He's only got 2 kills and I've got 8, 9. Can't count today. Oh, this gun. It's not bad, it's not bad. I feel like he's just gonna... Whoo! Yeah, that's right, baby. Don't mess with this guy. And boop. I knew it. So is he gonna come out from that way? Or that way? Wow! I don't think I hit that exactly. Is he going to fall into my trap? I hope he does, because I am literally... Jeez, how did he get there? Oh, God, that scared me. God, that scared me. He's there. Nope, he's there. Whew, that was close. That was a close one. Oh, come on. Come on, Kai. Come on. He's going out that way. Or that way. I don't know. Okay, good. Damn, he's good. But no problem, he's no match for the new, well, not new, but he's no match for this guy right here. Will he fall into my trap? Will he? Come on, come on, come on. Oh, damn it, he just... Oh, he's coming back out. Yes. Perfect. Will he? Or he just made it past. Just... Yes. Okay, that's good, that's good. And ready, and... Boop. Hiya. Looks like he's been doing his homework. Am I right? Looks like he's been doing some homework. Studying the geographics, even though I have no idea what that means, actually. And bloop. Why? Boop. Why does he want me to kill him? Well, thanks anyway. Oh no, House Puppy. Bad, 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 bad. Spawn. Thanks. Dude, I'm on a 25 kill streak. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, I don't get why he wants me to kill him, but I'll just go with it. No! Why? I don't get it though. Oh well. At least I can still make a comeback. Will he fall into my trap? Yes, he will. A bit, just a bit. I'd rather take the nail gun and... Ooh, that was a good one. That was a good one. I gotta give it to him. But he's still no match for this guy right here. Even with my best and favorite gun. Next round I'm going to make it headshots only. Oh, he's going that way. Better give him a surprise. Surprise, surprise, Daddy's mommy. Ooh. Hope I don't miss this one. Where is he? GG. Perfect timing. Let's do headshots only. Matrix. Let's see how he does on that. Let's just say. Ha! I actually want standard. I don't know why. I'm going to do the golden knife. I don't know what to know. Oh well. Oh, not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, he's in. He's gonna go for... Why did I shoot way above him? Perfect. Perfecto! Oh, dude, I just needed him to kill me because, He had that double jump one. Oh, I already know it. Oh, is he gonna get me? Nope, not gonna happen today. By the way, go ahead and check out his YouTube channel as well. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, he's right there. He's right there. If he... Whew. Go ahead and check out his YouTube channel as well. It is called Koko Pops. Where is he? Where is he? But I could just let him kill me. You know, I will. I'm just going to try and go for a backstab. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay. Where is he? Where is he? Perfect. Come on, come on, come on. Quick, 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 quick. This is where I normally spawn kill him. Perfect. 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 Amazing! Come on, damn it, I nearly had him. There, he's there. Oh, he's got that culture, alright. Let me just make it. Come on, come on, come on. Where'd he go, where'd he go? There. Oh no. Yes, perfect. Will he fall? Nope. Oh, he's nearly got me. Oh god, that was a close one. That was a close one. Ready and perfect. Just in time. Perfecto. That was also a close one. Not bad, not bad. Not this gun. No, I do not like this gun. Ready? Nope. Nope. Ooh, flick. Not really a flick, but it was a flick, but not. He got me there. GG, mate. GG. Bruh. Thanks. Anywho, he says it's boring. For me, I don't think it's boring, Water. It's his opinion. Where is he? Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!